He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. I don't have to keep introducing this man, dude. Big G from Baton Rouge, man.
What up?
Yep, my brother came up as usual on a 3-day weekend to hang out with me, man, and we've been drinking a whole lot of Crown and cooking a whole lot, so and the fun never stops. But anyway, what we're going to be cooking today is some beef back finger ribs. I had never seen this before, so I assume it's a particular cut of the beef rib. They don't have any bones in them, do they?
No.
So they don't have any bones in them, so that should be very interesting. Should be good to eat. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be cooking these on the Tec 680 today. We're gonna be smoking these at 225 degrees, and we're gonna smoke them until they get nice and tender, until they get done. Okay, so I'll give you the final cook times and things of that nature once we finish with our cook. So we're cooking these because we're gonna be eating this with some brisket and stuff for our the New Orleans Saints playing tonight.
Who that?
Yep, they're playing them Redskins, so we're gonna be eating this along with the brisket. So by the time you see this video, the game will definitely be over. But however, that's why we're doing this. And of course, it's Columbus Day weekend. They came up. The wives are out spending all the money at the mall. Yep. So so we sitting here with a few cigars, a few beers, some Crown Royal, some music out in the back patio, and hey, also be on the lookout for. We're gonna go live a little bit later tonight, man, while we drink a few picklebacks for the first time, right?
Right.
So we're gonna try to do that live, okay? But anyway, let's get started with this. As you guys remember, Tec sent me 7 of their rubs, okay, and we've been trying them out periodically. They're all fantastic rubs, man. But what we're going to be using, we're going to split this into 2 groups today, and this one as well.
Honey Ruski honey rib rub.
Okay, and this one here is
Ben's heifer dust.
okay. So we're going to be using the heifer dust and the honey rib rub. Okay, so I tell you what, man, hang around. We're going to do this quick prep work. We're going to throw them out on the Tec 680 at 225 degrees with the extreme smoke function on, and we're going to see what we turn out. We are using, we don't have any more Tec premium pellets, so I'm using Lumberjack pellets, I think it's the OCH or the OHC version, which is a combination pellets of oak, hickory, and cherry. Okay, so should give some great flavor. Okay, so hey, watch us do the quick prep work, and we will be right back with a taste test. All right, so don't go nowhere.
Peace.
right, guys, so we're finished our cook. It's halftime of the New Orleans Saints game, and we are up 26-13. So damn offense fumbled the ball, and the Redskins got a chance to score. But hey, we're leading at halftime, and hopefully we can go ahead and win the game. We want to toast Drew Brees for being the all-time passing yards leader. So congratulations, Drew. Man, I know you'll never see this video, but hey, man, congrats from us. Breeze. Ooh. Who that, baby?
Who that indeed?
That's right. Bleed black and gold. Win, lose, or draw. So,
that's right.
Yeah. So, all right, so we cooked these. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at these bad boys right quick. So, okay, as you can see, man, they got some great color on them, man. They smell fantastic. And you can see some of the seasonings on each one of them. So, I believe this side is the honey rib rub, and this side is the heifer dust.
You think?
I think so.
Only one way to find out.
Well, we had to taste them, whichever one's sweet. I guess that's the one to be the honey rib rub.
Yeah,
So
pretty much.
okay, so we'll go with that route. So, but we kind of cooked them like regular ribs. I kind of did a 2-1-1 method because they've been on about 4 hours.
Yeah.
So we had them 2 hours, well, almost 3 hours in smoke, right?
Yeah.
And then 1 hour wrapped in foil. Okay, right. And so we pulled them out. They had no bones in them. They looked tender. They temped out, so they looked real good. So we're gonna go ahead and have a taste test and see what these taste like. All right, and where's our two rubs? These are two rubs that we use: the honey rib rub and the heifer dust.
Yeah.
Okay. So
yeah, we'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out once we eat. Yeah. So all right, man. So taste test. Here's a napkin. All right. So. Go on, man. Get you one.
You got the tongs over there.
Man, use your fingers, man. Shoot.
It's on television. I don't know about me.
It's on television.
Yeah.
Ain't none of them gonna be eating none of this. I know they wish they could, but they're not gonna be eating none of this. Tender. I'm thinking this might be the heifer dust.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's real good, man. It's nice. They're tender. The fat rendered real well. There's no bones, so you can take these bad boys and make a po' boy out of them, or what have you, or make rib sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, this is real good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait, man. I got a little sweetness there. No?
Yeah.
So maybe go this way.
They won't know for sure.
So you taste this one here?
Take that one.
Time for this one. I don't even know if I want a whole one. I guess I ain't got a choice though.
Huh? Like this up.
Since you want to use the tongs.
There you go.
Now this one got to be the heifer dust, man. I smell that. Kind of a strong garlicky.
Yeah.
This has got to be a heifer dust.
Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah.
That's good.
I like that. Better than I like the honey rib rub.
Yeah. That's real good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's nice. And it's still tender, juicy, moist. Mm-hmm. So that last hour in the foil really, really produced a lot of juice, and they taste good. You can chop these up. You can chop these up for fajitas or what have you. So I had never cooked any beef fingers, beef back finger ribs before. Mm-hmm. So I saw them in the store and I figured I'd pick them up, man. But man, these are fantastic. I'm gonna have to pick these up on a more consistent basis.
Yeah, these are real good.
Wow. That's all right there. All right, well, that's about it.
That's about it.
Another good cook. Unfortunately, this is the last night. My brother will be visiting with me. They're pulling out tomorrow morning, heading back to Louisiana. Got to get back to the work world, I guess.
To the grind.
So, but I love you being here, brother.
I love you too, man.
Love you every time you come and visit.
Always, baby.
And man, I always hate to see him go home, man. So I might not even go to work tomorrow. I might be crying and going on so much, man.
Well,
If I don't go to work, it's probably because we drank too much Crown Royal tonight, right?
that too.
Yeah. Who's driving first tomorrow?
Not me.
Not you, huh?
Not me.
All right, man. So, hey, once again, check out Rec Tech, man. They got some great seasonings. That heifer dust is on point. And hey, check them out if you look interested in a pellet smoker, okay? So, but once again, let's go Saints. Let's win this game tonight.
Who that, baby?
Hopefully we win this game tonight. And like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there.
Or somebody giving you the finger.
I know you a fool. Hey man, we'll see you guys around the smoker.
Peace.
Yo, how long you got you
That shit
thinking
just
making
popped
that
in,
one?
boom. That shit just popped in real quick.
Boy, you crazy man.